Top 5 Portable Air Compressors for ultimate convenience and power on the go. 1. Viair 85P offers compact design and 60 psi maximum pressure, perfect for inflating car tires anywhere. 2. DEWALT DCC020IB features high-performance motor and digital gauge, making it reliable for various inflation tasks. 3. EPAuto 12 volts DC Portable Air Compressor boasts auto shut-off and LED flashlight, ensuring safety and ease of use. 4. Makita MP100DZ delivers cordless convenience and fast inflation, ideal for quick maintenance on the road. 5. AstroAI Portable Air Compressor provides fast inflation and preset pressure settings, making it user-friendly for everyone.